As phone camera function becomes more and more advanced, people are more and more addicted with it. Sometimes the dust inside camera makes the photo very blurry or has some watermark spots. It's very annoying. Today we are going to introduce you iPhone rear camera lens cleaning tutorial videos. Now we will show you how to clean iPhone 11 rear camera lens watermark spots. Open rear camera, we can see wide-angle camera has two distinct watermark spots. Switch to ultra-wide-angle camera and the image is normal. Unbolt bottom screws with equipment 62-in-1 electric screwdriver. Heat phone with 80 degrees for 3 minutes with CPB heating pad. Insert blade into bottom gap of phone. Slide screen with triangle crowbar. Unbolt rear camera cover screws and remove rear camera cover. Disconnect rear camera flaps and remove rear camera. The upper big one is wide-angle camera. Apply protective sticker to both rear cameras. Place rear camera module on professional camera heating fixture. Carry out initial degumming around wide-angle camera. Remove protective metal shield above camera. Then degum again. Apply soldering flux on solder spots of camera PCB. Open the soldering station. Set temperature to 300. Desolder with exclusive camera repairing ultra-thin soldering iron. Try to separate PCB from camera lens. After desoldering 4 solder joints, flip PCB gently and take it out. The watermark spots is just some dust on the glass surface of sensor component. Dip a little 530 cleaning agent with cotton swab. Wipe sensor glass surface gently. Check whether it was wiped clean by glass surface reflection. Wipe camera lens as well for thorough cleaning. After cleaning, put PCB back in position. Align solder joints. Apply soldering flux on it. Solder it on PCB with ultra-thin soldering iron. Apply adhesive glue on back. Reinstall protective metal shield above camera and attach it firmly. Remove lens protective film. Install camera module back into iPhone. Now we can install screen and test camera again. Power on, enter camera function. No watermarks in image anymore. We test it with wide-angle camera. Zoom in the photo but still no watermarks. The camera lens was cleaned successfully. Do you master how to clean iPhone 11 camera watermark now? If there are any other operations you want to learn, please leave your messages or comments. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, we will launch more videos later.